da pawb a chroeso I sesiwn canu gyda Doti a Michaela. Welcome to this morning's singing session. Ein thema bore yma yw chwarae. Our theme this morning is playing. So ni'n mynd I canu caneuon I cyd-fynd gyda'r thema chwarae. Our songs this morning are all going to be relating to our theme of playing. Ond yn gyntaf, gawn ni ganu bore da ffrindiau. Let's sing good morning friends first. Ready? Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Bore da ffrindiau, sut wyt ti? Da iawn, diolch. Da iawn, a bore da I chi gyd. Good morning everybody. Okay, so mae Doti, mae hi eisiau chwarae, and sydd she wants to play straight away. A mae eisiau chwarae neidio. She wants to play jumping. So ni'n mynd I canu mae Doti yn neidio lan a lawr. And you can jump along with Doti at home. Ready? Barod Doti? Mae Doti yn neidio lan a lawr, lan a lawr. Lan a lawr, mae Doti yn neidio lan a lawr trwy y dydd. Mae Doti yn neidio nôl ac ymlaen nesaf, she's jumping back and forth. Mae Doti yn neidio nôl ac ymlaen, nôl ac ymlaen, nôl ac ymlaen. Mae Doti yn neidio nôl ac ymlaen trwy y dydd. Nawr mae Doti yn symud round a round. She's moving around and around. Barod? Mae Doti yn symud round a round, round a round, round a round. Mae Doti yn symud round a round trwy y dydd. Da iawn Doti, well done. So mae Doti eisiau chwarae gyda chi nawr. She wants to play with all of you. So ni'n mynd I canu dewch I chwarae gyda ni. Okay, come and play with us. Barod? Dewch I chwarae gyda ni, gyda ni, gyda ni. Dewch I chwarae gyda ni, dyna hwyl. There's fun. Dyna hwyl. Well done, okay. So'r gêm cyntaf rydyn ni'n mynd I chwarae heddi yw beth sydd yn y box. What is in the box? Okay, and ni'n mynd I canu can beth sydd yn y box. We're going to sing what is in the box and we're going to open it and we're going to all see together what we can find. So, fi di rhoi pethau yn y box rydyn ni wedi bod yn canu am wythnos yma. I've put some things in the box that we have been singing about this week. So gawn ni weld, let's see if you can remember the names of the things we've been singing about. Okay, barod? So we're going to tap, so you can tap your legs, or if you've got your own little box at home, you can tap that as well. Barod? Beth sydd yn y box? Beth sydd yn y box? Hey ho, hey di ho, beth sydd yn y box? Pli eira, da iawn. And do you remember when we were singing about our pli eira in our songs about the tywydd? Yeah, dyma pli eira. So ni wedi ffindo rhywbeth. We found the first thing in our box, a pli eira. Should we see what else is in the box? Are you ready to sing again? Beth sydd yn y box? Beth sydd yn y box? Hey ho, hey di ho, beth sydd yn y box? Da iawn, it's an orange. From when we did our thema, bwyd, when we were learning about food at the beginning of the week. Oren, da iawn. Okay, barod I fynd eto, once again. Beth sydd yn y box? Beth sydd yn y box? Hey ho, hey di ho, beth sydd yn y box? Oh, beth sydd yn about our seren? We sang disglair, seren when? That's right. Seren, a star. Seren. Okay. A mae un peth arall yn y box. There's one more thing in the box. Let's find out what it is. Be sydd yn y box? Be sydd yn y box? Hey ho, hey di ho, be sydd yn y box? Beth sydd ar ôl? There's one thing left. Beth yw e? Blodau! It's the flowers, y blodau. Da iawn pawb, good remembering. So my box tap yn mynd I ffwrdd now. I'm going to put it away, but you can play that game at home with anything you can find in the house, and you can see beth sydd yn y box, what's in the box. Da iawn, okay. Ni mynd I chwarae game nawr, troi ein dwylo. We're going to play a game now where we have to turn our hands. So we're going to sing the song nice and slow first time, okay, to get you used to it. Barod? Troi ein dwylo, troi ein dwylo, troi a throi fel hyn. Well done, we're turning our hands like this. Fel hyn, like this. Curo dwylo next. Curo dwylo, clap, a clap fel hyn. There we are, we're clapping our hands. Curo dwylo, clapping our hands. Okay, I'm going to make chwifio dwylo now. We're going to wave our hands. Chwifio dwylo, chwifio dwylo, chwifio a chwifio fel hyn. Well done. So we're going to play that again, unwaith eto again, but we're going to do it yn gyflym, fast this time. So we need to get ready for troi ein dwylo yn gyntaf. Okay, this is going to be really fast and gyflym iawn, barod? Troi ein dwylo, troi a throi fel hyn. Well done. Curo dwylo yn gyflym. We're going to clap our hands fast. Curo dwylo, clap a clap fel hyn. Well done. And chwifio dwylo nice and fast, nice fast waves. Chwifio dwylo, chwifio a chwifio fel hyn. Da iawn pawb, well done. That was really good singing to keep up with Dotty on that one. Da iawn. Okay, nawr, ni'n mynd I canu can hwylus nawr. We're going to sing a fun song, put in eich bys ar eich troen, okay? So you need to listen, man chi wrando, listen I beth mae Michaela a Dotty yn gweud, what we're singing, so that you can work out what we're going to do in our song. So, bys ar eich troen yn gyntaf, ready? Rowch eich bys ar eich troen fel hyn. Rowch eich bys ar eich troen fel hyn. Rowch eich bys ar eich troen roich eich bys ar eich troen fel hyn. Da iawn. Rowch eich dwylo ar eich pen, okay? Put your hands on your head for the next one. Rowch eich dwylo ar eich pen fel hyn. Rowch eich dwylo ar eich pen fel hyn. Rowch eich dwylo ar eich dwylo ar dy ben. Rowch dy dwylo ar dy ben fel hyn. Put your hands on your head, eich dwylo ar eich pen. Okay. And I orffen, rowch eich bys ar eich boch. Put your finger on your cheek. Rowch eich bys ar eich boch. 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 Fel hyn. Da iawn pawb, well done. Okay, diolch. Thank you for joining in. Okay, so cyn I ni orffen, we're going to sing pen, ysgwyddau, coesau a traed, okay? Barod? Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed a llygaid, clistiau, troen a chig. Pen, ysgwyddau, coesau, traed. Da iawn. Good joining in, everybody. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch am chwarae bore yma. Thanks for coming to play with us this morning. Ond mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr nawr. Dotty and I are saying goodbye to you all. Hwyl fawr, okay? Hwyl fawr ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Twdalw a bantani, bantani, bantani. Twdalw a bantani, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau.